airplane. Can I get a picture of a firework?
My camera's turned away.
Yeah, but I'd be doing walking exposures right now. I'm gonna take. Is that an airplane right over there? By the way?
Yeah.
There's an airplane right there, huh? You gotta get a little bit forceful.
You told me watching it, pretty scared. Probably doing both.
Dude, I took a picture right out the window.
This is how close you were.
That'd be trippy though, looking sideways. You know?
Oh, it's a playground spot.
That's a cool one. Oh, had a lot to it, didn't it? That was the second one. Don't ruin it for me. I want to see just one. Don't worry, I won't tell you the two fairies in it. Do not ruin my childhood dreams. I'm one firework with like 80 explosions. Dude, come on. I like that. That had a nice echo to it.
I know.
Wow.
Whoa.
That's awesome. Zoom on those.
I need to zoom on any of them.
I think you need to go wide. Two random pieces of green just hanging out. Guys, like, hey, watch this.
Sounds like a ball game.
Oh, so you know what? Another plane right over there. That one's pretty close. That one's damn close. Flying that way. You can see him banking the turn.
I went up. That one looks good.
Yeah, it is. There's a plane right
I just kicked my feet like a 12-year-old.
Oh, is that the end? Oh, that was not. More, you guys watch something else? What are they holding on? Uh-oh. There's a signal place. I think I have an anti-rose. That's how they light them. That's how they light them. Yeah, with the flare. Yeah. You can see the guy pointing them and then they go off. Well, you know, you cannot look at them.